Stop scrolling. The best skill to learn in 2026 is not what you think. It's not crypto. It's not dropshipping. It's not gambling. The best skill to learn in 2026 is digital content creation. Why? Because every business needs videos, social media posts, editing, and branding. If you can create content, you will never lack opportunities. I encourage you to learn video editing, graphic design, copywriting, social media management. Companies are online, people are online, money is online. If you master digital skills, you can control your income. Don't chase money, guys. Build skills first, and money will flow. Alright guys, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tips. I will see you in the next video. Bye.